Premier Classe Montlucon Saint Victor, a stylish and convenient stay in Montlucon located in the charming city of Montlucon, France. Premier Classe Montlucon Saint Victor offers a stylish and convenient stay for both business and leisure travelers. With its prime location and modern amenities, this hotel provides the perfect base for exploring the rich history and natural beauty of the region. Check-in at Premier Classe Montlucon Saint Victor begins bright and early at 6:30 a.m., allowing guests to start their day of adventure without any delay. The friendly and professional staff are always ready to welcome you with a warm smile, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free check-in process. And with a checkout time of 12 p.m., you can take your time in the morning and enjoy a leisurely breakfast before bidding farewell to this comfortable haven. Featuring a total of 72 well-appointed rooms, Premier Classe Montlucon Saint Victor offers a range of accommodation options to suit every traveler's needs. Each room is tastefully decorated in a contemporary style, combining comfort and functionality. Whether you're traveling solo, as a couple, or with a group, you'll find the perfect room to relax and unwind after a day of exploring Montlucon and its surroundings.